As mechanical boards attract more and more enthusiasts for their tactile feel and durability, similarly, electric woks are gaining popularity for their convenience, versatility, and ability to deliver authentic stir-fry at home. Whether you're cooking Asian cuisine, searing, or simply sautéing, a good electric wok saves. Listen up! Aroma Housewares AEW 307 Electric Wok 5 Cute Black. The Aroma Housewares AEW 307 is a compact yet powerful 5-quart electric wok perfect for small kitchens or quick meals. Its durable non-stick surface makes cooking and cleaning effortless, while the domed lid helps trap heat and moisture for better results. The stay-cool handles and detachable base improve safety and storage. It heats evenly and quickly, ideal for stir-fries, steaming. List number 2. Aroma Housewares AEW 306 Electric Wok with Tempered Glass Lid. With a few thoughtful upgrades, the Aroma AEW 306 Electric Wok offers excellent functionality and style. It comes with a tempered glass lid, allowing you to monitor your cooking without lifting it. The spacious, easy-to-clean, non-stick cooking surface ensures food doesn't stick and cleanup is quick. It even includes cooking chopsticks and a steam rack, making it a great all-in-one solution for Asian dishes. List 3. Presto 5900-watt stainless steel electric wok. For those who prefer a more professional look, the Presto 5900 electric wok features a durable stainless steel body that's as beautiful as it is functional. With its 1500-watt heating element, it delivers fast and consistent heat across the entire surface. The aluminum-clad base ensures even heating and prevents hot spots. The wok comes with a tempered glass lid and a long-handled wooden spatula. List number 4. Todlabe carbon steel wok, including glass cover and silicone spatula. While technically a carbon steel wok rather than fully electric, the Todlabe wok deserves mention for its authentic design and versatility. It includes a glass lid and silicone spatula and is compatible with most induction burners and electric stoves. Its carbon steel surface gives food that authentic wok flavor while retaining heat well. The flat bottom ensures stability, and the ergonomic wooden handle stays cool. List number 5. Elite Gourmet EG6207 number, scratch-resistant 10.5-inch fry pan for smaller kitchens or single servings. The Elite Gourmet EG6207 number electric fry pan is an affordable and compact alternative to a full-sized wok. At 10.5 inches and 2 quarts, it's perfect for sautéing, frying, or simmering small dishes. Its scratch-resistant surface and dishwasher-safe parts make it easy to maintain, while the easy pour spout minimizes messes, although not as spacious as the others.